Fact number 1. Did you know the observable universe is thought to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter? The observable universe is the portion of the universe that we can see and observe from Earth, and it's estimated to have a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. However, this is just a tiny fraction of the entire universe, which is thought to be much larger than what we can observe. Fact, the size of the entire universe is thought to be infinite, and there could be other parts of the universe that are beyond our ability to observe or detect. This is because the universe is thought to have expanded faster than the speed of light during a period of inflation shortly after the Big Bang, making it impossible for us to observe objects beyond a certain distance. So, while the observable universe is vast, it's just a small part of the much larger and mysterious universe that we live in. Fact number 2. The Sun will eventually run out of fuel and expand into a red giant, engulfing Mercury and Venus and possibly even Earth, before collapsing into a white wall. The Sun is currently in the main sequence stage of its life cycle, where it fuses hydrogen into helium in its core and radiates energy in the form of light and heat. However, as the Sun continues to burn through its fuel, it will eventually exhaust its hydrogen and start fusing helium in its core. This will cause the outer layers of the Sun to expand and cool, turning it into a red giant. During this phase, the Sun will become much larger and engulf the inner planets of the solar system, including Mercury and Venus, and possibly even Earth. However, the timing and extent of this expansion is still uncertain, as it depends on how quickly the Sun's core fuses helium and how much mass it loses during the process. A small request, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. This will help it reach more people and support my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the white button and turning on the bell icon for instant notifications on my future videos. Fact number 3. The gravitational pull of the Moon on the Earth causes a tidal force that creates two bulges of water on opposite sides of the planet. As the Earth rotates on its axis, these bulges move around the planet, causing the ocean tides to rise and fall twice a day. The gravitational force of the Moon not only affects the oceans but also the Earth's crust. The tidal force causes the solid part of the Earth to bulge and flex, creating a small but measurable deformation in the shape of the planet. This deformation can cause stress on faults and contribute to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. In addition to the Moon's gravity, the Sun also has a tidal effect on the Earth, although it's much weaker than the Moon's tidal force due to the Sun's much greater distance from the Earth. Together, the gravitational forces of the Moon and the Sun contribute to the complex and dynamic patterns of ocean tides and crustal deformation on our planet.